Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review a Voicematic. Voicematic is releasing tomorrow on 5th of August at 11 a.m. EST, so we're straight onto the sales page. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be sharing with you the members area of Voicematic. I'm going to be sharing with you the software demo of Voicematic. I'm going to be sharing with you what are the OTOs or upgrades, upsells of Voicematic, plus what are the features inside each of these OTOs, what are the pricing point of these OTOs, and all that information that I have got from the vendor. Plus, the most important thing is I've got a discount coupon code for Voicematic. So if you look right below this video in the description, in the second or the third line maybe, there would be a discount coupon code which you can use right now during the launch for Voicematic. You can grab that and apply it on the checkout page so that you can save some bucks on that. Okay, now make sure you understand that this discount coupon code, I don't know if it will be active after the launch ends. So if you see the discount coupon code is still active on the checkout page, that means they have still some spots available over here. But make sure you grab it on the first day, that is tomorrow on 5th of August, because on the first day the price is going to be super low. And I'm going to be sharing with you why you should pick up this Voicematic. Now, what is basically Voicematic? Now, if you are an affiliate marketer, if you are an online business owner, now you have got a lot of customers base. Okay, now if you are collecting the personal mobile numbers of your customers, you personally can't answer every single customer because it will take a lot of your manual time. Okay, so instead of that, what you do is you can set it up a voice recording as a voice email, like an email follow-up. You can set up a voice follow-up like a voice autoresponder, and that will give every single answer to your customer's question onto their mobile. Okay, it's like a follow-up which we do in email. When we use email, instead of email we send a voice, a text, speech to the mobile number of your customers. Okay, so let me share how this Voicematic software works, and trust me, it's going to be a good software, because the more engagement that you can get with talking onto the phone, it's going to create a great kind of good relationship with the customers, and potentially it will bring in more sales to you. Okay, because when you connect with the mobile, the chances of getting opens and listening to whatever you want to sell is going to be really high. Okay, so let's see how this Voicematic software works.
Okay, now that we're signed in, I'm going to take you into our main dashboard. And so here in our dashboard, we give users an overall picture on activity within specific accounts. So whether it be a client's account or their accounts, no matter what, they'll always see stats according to their specific accounts. So here we have a total of inbound calls, total outbound calls, and here are today's stats. So today's stats, we have 0 inbound calls and total outbound calls 0. Okay. Now I want you to keep in mind that Voicematic is a follow-up system, so it focuses just on that specific area. Okay. So think of it as your autoresponder. Okay. Your autoresponder, figure is an automatic follow-up. So that's essentially what's happening here. And so within this dashboard, right on the home page, users can see that right away. They can see activity in relations to their follow-ups. Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the next feature. I'm going to go into our primary, and then I'm going to give you a breakdown on integration. Okay, so we integrate with Twilio. However, we've made it super easy for our users to plug and play so that they can leverage our platform Okay. Now down on the bottom, we have an autoresponder that can be set by default. So here we have some, voice and text-to-speech responses set up here, and then we could decide to disable or enable it, and just click update, and we're ready to rock and roll. For now, I have it just disabled, so for this tutorial, we'll just keep it moving forward. So I'm going to go into our campaigns portion. I developed the campaigns portion because we have a lot of clients, and not only that, thinking marketplace, we wanted our ideal buyer to essentially use this in their consulting business. Okay, so we made it super easy for them to sell this as a service, or just potentially give it away. Okay, so there's a lot of flexibility here, is what I'm saying. Okay, so here we got a bunch of test data, but usually if I wanted to add a client, I would just click on add. I would formulate the account for them. Okay, so I would just follow the basic steps and just create the account, and we're good to go. So the beauty about this is that now users can go ahead and like I mentioned briefly, they can sell this as a service and manage multiple accounts super easy. Okay, so when you log into each account, it pretty much looks the exact same, except the data looks different, based on the numbers that they have and things of that nature. Which speaking of numbers, I want to clarify. Okay, so you definitely need a Twilio number to be able to use our platform. It's usually like $1, so it's not anything that's gonna hurt the pockets or anything like that. And that's pretty much all you need, along with your own personal number, so you could just hear the text-to-speech, or you could test your messages and things of that nature. Okay, so for campaigns, super easy. Okay, you can just go ahead, like let's say you have a bunch of clients, you could just type it alphabetically, like A, and then it'll sort by A, B, and C, and so on and so forth. We wanted to make that process easy. Okay, so let's go on to the text-to-speech area. Okay, here's where a lot of the magic really happens. Okay, we got a lot of test data here, just because I wanted to just fully demonstrate to you how it all works. Okay, so I'm going to go into add text-to-speech, and then we'll go into this dashboard here, so you have full clarity on this area here. Okay, so we have our text-to-speech. Okay, so we could give this a name, like this could be like number 1, for example. I could type in my text-to-speech. Okay, and in our training, I'll show the users how to work with our system so that the messages sound as real as possible when they send them out. Completely compliant. We're doing this through various APIs. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go on to voice. With voice, it's only audio, so MPEG or MP3 files only. Okay, so let's say your buyers have a promo that they're doing for maybe a client. They could absolutely upload that. Let's say that there's a digital marketer with a list and they want to promote a particular offer, okay, via phone, maybe pay-per-call offers, etc. They can absolutely do that as well. Super easy, just upload it, click submit, and you're ready to rock and roll. Okay, so a lot of flexibility here, a lot of cool things that you can do using this platform. Okay, so I'm going to go back into view all and just give you a breakdown. Okay, so once you create the text-to-speech, they'll pretty much show here, just like you see here. These are a bunch of test calls that we have here just for you to see visually. Okay, you could preview your text-to-speech, you could remove it, you can go back and edit it. So there's a lot of flexibility there. You can even listen to it right from your computer. Okay. Okay, so there's a lot of cool things that you can do there. Okay, now if you're watching this and you want to request demo access for your audience, absolutely reach out to Dr. Opie or myself, and we'll be more than happy to give you full access to this so that you can get in here and give it a test run. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead into schedule a call. this is another vital area for our platform, okay? And I'll explain why, okay? When we originally built this platform, I was thinking more about, follow-ups, okay? There's a lot of systems out there that, you can send calls and things like that, but they don't really focus on the follow-up. Voicematic solves that problem by allowing you to drag and drop any incoming calls. I'll explain how it works. So here we got our calls to schedule. Any incoming calls, like let's say I went ahead and bought a number from Twilio, I can place it on my website, send a bunch of traffic to it, Google, Facebook, however, send it right to that number, and all the numbers are pretty much shown right here. Okay, so this is just an example number, okay? Now, something really cool that you can do before I go into the drag and drop, click on this little exclamation point here, and you can see how many times that number called. Okay, so this is important, okay? Not just for offliners, but for guys in the online world. Maybe it's someone needing urgent help, or maybe it's a potential customer, or maybe it's a potential client. You just never know. So by looking at this data here, we can determine what, this person called me 3 times. I can export this, so we have that data. We can pass it on to someone else. So I'm going to go ahead and just choose this one here. Let's just choose this text to speech. I can drag and drop. All right, so I can drag and drop it onto 621. So I could go ahead and just drag and drop it onto 10 a.m. All right, using the text to speech OB. Okay, so you'll see that in just a few seconds it'll show up there. There we go. So basically, what happens now that we drag and drop that in, our system on this time and date will automatically follow up with that number with a specific text to speech. So if it's a potential client, a prospect, buyer, they're going to get that message. Okay, so we have that set there. Now, we wanted to give users more flexibility. So there's a lot more that you can do there, okay, or within this portion here of the platform. So you can schedule calls manually, okay? So this could be any number here. Maybe you want to send out to a specific number. You want to choose a specific text to speech, date and time. You click add, and it'll basically be sent out, added onto the calendar on that specific date and time. We give way more control than that, okay? You could also manually, just by, clicking add preset, you can add a bunch of presets, okay? You can do this all manually, and it works beautifully, like once you get this up and running, okay? So with presets, you can preset, for example, a specific date, a start date, and end date. You can choose whatever text-to-speech or voice recording that you want, and every week for 1 month or every month for 1 year, the system will continue to follow up. So, for example, every Tuesday of the month, the system will follow up for as long as you set it, okay? Now, these are just some example dates here, but, I could edit this to be 06, 22, 2019, starting at 1:45 p.m., and so on and so forth. So we give them more flexibility. We know that this is something that potential buyers are going to request. We know that this is coming, so we went ahead and created that capability. So they have the option to create a bunch of presets on a specific date and time. So they got a bunch of unique things that they can do all on this one page, drag and drop, schedule calls manually for one specific number, add presets for a bunch of numbers. There's a lot of cool things that you can do here. Okay, so now that that's clear, I'm going to go on to the next, batch schedule calls. Okay, so thinking more about flexibility and giving users the ability to do just more than just schedule for incoming callers, we know that a lot of our potential buyers have numbers laying around. Okay, we even had that problem. We had books and books of numbers with customers and things like that. We just weren't doing anything with these numbers. So within this area here, you can do a lot of cool things. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type in JV. Okay, I'm just type in JV there, and then I'm gonna click next. Okay, now here's what you can do. All right, you can upload just by following our template, upload a bunch of numbers with a specific text-to-speech, or you can just copy and paste a bunch of numbers. And for example, I'll just put my number here, okay? Okay, and I'm just gonna click next. All right, so now I could actually choose the date and time that I want this call to go out, okay? So I can choose, the text to speech, so I can just write test here and, just go ahead and finish it up and we'll have it within our system, okay? Now this is a quick test, so I'm not gonna go ahead and click finish up because it's gonna blow up the phone, okay? So on this specific date and time, this text to speech, this number will go out to this specific number here, and that's it. That's as easy as it is, all right? And you can do this for a bunch of numbers, all right? So again, if you have a bunch of numbers laying around, your buyers have numbers laying around, they can absolutely do a lot with those numbers, with the text-to-speech, with the MP3s. We're gonna have a bunch of detailed training on how they can scale this out, completely detailed, okay? So I'm gonna move on to the next here. I'm going to go into our scheduled calls status, okay? Again, thinking about data, thinking about information, this is going to be big. So any scheduled calls that you set up on your batch calls area, you definitely will be able to see them in this area here. So if you click on view status, you can view the status on it. And I'll just click view status so you can see that the numbers have been scheduled. These are just a bunch of test calls that are set up. So I'm going to go back into scheduled calls or scheduled calls status. And then down beneath it, you have actual scheduled calls. Okay, so you got a full list of them here for you to see. You got the bulk scheduled calls up here. So everything is completely visible. They can export. The ability to export is there for them. And then any incoming callers, you got them on this page here. I'm just going to click on incoming calls. All right, so you can see them all here. So any numbers that might have come in, you can actually export them and get them, keep recycling them over and over, keep sending them content via text-to-speech or MP3. Is completely up to your buyers. We give them massive flexibility here. Guys, we need your support. We want to get this out to the World Wide Web, and with your support, we can essentially make that happen. I invite you to ask for a demo. We're more than happy to give our partners, JV affiliates, full access, so you can go ahead and create a demo for your own audience as well.
Okay, so that was the software demo for Voicematic. I hope you have got a tons of information from that. Now, really quick, let me come straight to the pricing point of the front end and the features inside the OTOs or upsells of Voicematic. Okay, the front end Voicematic which will come with the commercial rights so that you can provide this as a services to your clients. Plus, you will get the white label agency rights. Okay, now the price is $47, but I've got a discount coupon code for $5, and you can get it up until 2 p.m. on the Monday. That is 11th of August. Okay, now this discount coupon code will go off after 11th of August, so make sure you grab this during the launch period. Okay, OTO1 is a Voicematic template club which would come with 20 ready to go done for you funnels. Okay, 20 done for you voice funnels to get started, plus 10 completely new voice funnels every month to keep your Voicematic business fresh. Okay, now this would be priced at $37 monthly. Okay, OTO1 downsell, if you're not interested in a monthly subscription, there's a downsell for OTO1, which is Voicematic 20 ready to go done for you funnels at 10 complete audio messages plus 10 complete text-to-speech templates for the one-time price of $27. Okay, OTO number 2 is Voicematic license reseller that will allow you to resell Funnel 360 license for 100% of the profits. Okay, it's like not funnel, it's gonna be like Voicematic. Sorry about that. Okay, and it will come with 2 packs of 50 and 200 packs. Okay, now the pricing is at $97 for 200 license pack. OTO number 3 is Voicematic Consultant Kit. Everything that you need to be a professional marketing consultant will be there in this OTO. Okay, and the pricing is $69 one time. Then the last one is, let me go over here, just a sec. Yeah, OT number 4 is Voicematic Masterclass. That will be the weekly live training for Voicematic consultants, and that will be priced at $149 one time. So these were the OTO upsell information about Voicematic. I hope you have got. Now really quick, let me turn straight to the bonuses which I have got for you lined up. Okay, there are like 6 bonuses which I'm going to be listing right below this video. So make sure before you go to the sales page, read the description because I have listed all these bonuses right below this video. And all these bonuses are going to be preloaded on the receipt page. So when you get Voicematic through the link right below this video, you would get a receipt from jbzoo.com. And in that receipt, there would be a button which would say affiliate bonuses. So you just need to click that and you would get access to all these bonuses. Okay. I have put all information about the bonuses right below this video, so you can check it out. There are over 6 bonuses in total, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, I would really like to jump on this because this is a very, very good way to get in touch with your customers, your clients, and it will create more engagement. Okay, the customers or your clients will trust you really. They will trust you more with these features. Okay, because you're literally talking like a real person with your voice autoresponder with your clients. Okay, so that was my review for Voicematic. If you are interested, you can click the link below this video and get Voicematic with my discount coupon code. And let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to comment below your questions. I'm going to be answering that all of that questions within 12 to 24 hours. Okay, and also if for any reason if you didn't get the access to the bonuses, just reach out to me on Facebook. My Facebook link is given below in the description, and message me there about that you want the bonuses. Okay, just message me there and I'm going to be sending you the bonuses really quickly. Okay, so thanks so much for watching my Voicematic review video. If you like this kind of videos of forthcoming internet marketing software review videos, you can subscribe to my channel and let me know if you like this video. If you like it, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just let me know what you didn't like in the comment section and I would improve myself in my next review video. Thanks so much, my friend. Don't forget to grab the discount coupon code for Voicematic. Okay, thanks so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.